Hi guys, welcome to Power Performance Engineering. We're going to show you how to time a left-hand motor with our pointer and dial indicator kit, spark plug, timing light. We're going to give you the whole rundown here as to how we do it here on the dyno. So we have the dial indicator screwed into cylinder number 1. We're going to rotate the flywheel counterclockwise, which is the direction of this motor being a left-hand motor. We're going to watch the indicator till it comes up to top dead center. We're going to find where top dead center is, that's bottom dead center. So we're going to keep going around until the indicator changes direction, which is right there at that 90 mark. So we're going to turn this back around to 0. We're going to verify we're on our 0 point. Then we're going to go clockwise on the flywheel, 150 thousandths. So one rotation, 50. I always go a little more and then come back in direction of rotation. So now I'm going counterclockwise again back to my 150 to take that rock out of the piston. All right, so we're 150 thousandths before top dead center. I'm going to take the marker that comes in the kit, line up the pointer, and put a decent mark right there. We can see that we can come back and reference. So we're going to proceed to go to cylinder number 3, the one below it, and then we're going to do 5, 2, 4, 6. We're going to do every cylinder the same way we just did one. We're not going to show you them all because that'll take a little longer than you probably want to watch. Coming around again, direction of rotation, counterclockwise in this case. Finding the highest point to where the indicator, we're still turning the flywheel counterclockwise, but the indicator rolls back, indicating that is the highest point. We're really close from the other cylinder. So now we're going to go clockwise, 100, 60, and then back to 50. We're going to put a mark on the flywheel here. Also, what you're looking for is we're trying to reference everything. We're trying to fire this cylinder relative to piston position versus top dead center. I'm not concerned about rotational degrees on the flywheel in case there's a difference in the journals. If you had, instead of 120 degree spacing, you had 123 degree spacing, your error would compound through this. So we always simply use thousandths of an inch before top dead center as our gauge for indicating. Once you're done doing this on all 6, we're just going to stop here at 2. You would make sure you remove the indicator. I've done that before. You don't want to crank it with the indicator in the cylinder. You take your timing light. In the case of a left-hand motor, you don't need to advance the throttle. You don't need to do any of that. All you're simply going to do is hit your starter motor, which we're not going to do here. Hit it with the timing light. Make sure this mark lines up with this. In the event that it does not, you're simply going to adjust the nuts here back and forth until the mark lines up. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for now.